Good morning, children of class 3. Today in Moral Science, we are going to read chapter 7, Cleanliness. In this, we will read what is cleanliness and what happens when we are not clean, and then how we can keep ourselves clean. So first of all, we should know what do you mean by cleanliness. Cleanliness means keeping our surroundings and ourselves clean and free of garbage, dirt, etc. So, what do you mean by cleanliness? So, when we keep our surroundings clean and ourselves clean, surrounding is the nearby area. When we keep our nearby area also clean and ourselves also clean, then we maintain cleanliness, as well as we have to keep our home also clean and free of garbage, dirt, etc. So why should we be clean, or why cleanliness should be maintained? Because what happens when we are not clean, or when we do not keep our surroundings clean, then what will happen in that case? There may be many kinds of germs in that area due to dirt. Okay, due to dust and garbages, there in that area there will be there will be many germs, and due to the germs we will suffer from different diseases, because there will be mosquitoes, there will be different types of flies, insects which will prevail over there, or microbes, microorganisms which we are not able to see with our naked eye. Those also, when we touch anything and uh, and when we eat with those hands, then what will happen? Those germs are going in to go in our stomach, okay, and then different diseases, we will suffer from different diseases. And suppose there are flies, mosquitoes prevailing over there, you know that mosquitoes, what happens when they bite us? Then we suffer from different diseases like dengue, malaria, chikungunya. We suffer from those diseases. Now let us see what happens. Cleanliness. So when we are clean, what happens? Cleanliness is a solution for reducing diseases. So when we are clean, okay, then what happens? We have less chance to get disease. Cleanliness makes us feel good and joyful. So when we are clean, we feel happy, okay. And when we are not clean, at that time what happens? Our mind is not fresh and we don't feel like happy. You will see a clean child, okay, clean child, he is happy, in a joyful mood. Now cleanliness can also increase our lifespan. So when we are clean, we are not going to suffer from many diseases, and if our body is free of disease, then it is natural that our lifespan is going to increase. Now, how can we keep ourselves clean? Always wash your hands with soap and water. So, before preparing food, we should wash our hands with soap and water. Why? Because because what happens? There can be germs in our hand. So, those germs can go in the food. After using the toilet, so after using the toilet also, we should wash our hands properly. Then before eating, so before eating, if we have not washed our hands, then the germs, they will go in our stomach. After playing, we play with different types of things, those things may contain germs in them, so we should wash our hands after playing. Then see, we have to keep our home also clean. We should keep our home neat and clean. It should be germ free. So here you can see people, what they are doing. They are dusting the floor, they're mopping the floor, dusting the, and then wiping everything, so that this area, it is germ free. Their home is neat and clean, and they'll not suffer from disease. Now all of us live in neighborhood or surroundings. So We should keep our surrounding neat and clean. To keep our surroundings clean, we must adopt the following methods. So what we should do? The waste from our homes must be thrown into the dustbins kept on the road. So to keep our surrounding clean, we should throw the waste in the dustbin. We should not throw it here and there. As you might be walking on the road, and you might have seen the people, they throw the waste and garbages here and there on the road. It looks very dirty, but that should not be done. It is our duty that those waste should be thrown in the dustbin, and the area should look very beautiful, neat and clean. So our city also will look nice. And for this, the people, they have to be careful, or they should be taught this thing, and it is very necessary. Otherwise, we will suffer from different types of diseases. Then, roads and streets must be swept daily. So, roads and streets, they must be swept daily. Sweeping should be done of the roads and streets, so that the garbages, they are thrown properly in the proper places. You see in this picture, what happens in this picture? In this picture, the people, they are throwing the garbages in water, and they should not be done. Why? Because it hampers the aquatic life also, as well as the people, those who are going to drink this water, they also will suffer from disease. Then in this story, we will read about a boy who falls sick because he has not been clean, or he has not kept himself clean. Let us read the story. So here you see a boy. So Ravi was a young boy, often played in the mud and sand and made himself and his clothes dirty. So he is a young boy and he is playing in mud and sand. And what he is doing? He makes himself and his clothes dirty. He has the habit of that. His mother time and again advised him to keep himself clean, but he did not listen and was almost careless about his cleanliness. So what did Ravi's mother do? Ravi's mother used to tell him that keep yourself clean. But what Ravi did? Ravi was not listening to his mother, and he was careless. He was thinking, okay, nothing will happen. I can keep myself dirty also, and he was not listening to his mother and made himself dirty. Then one day Ravi was playing with a ball with his friend Manoj. Suddenly the ball fell into a dirty pond of water. Now one day Ravi was playing with a ball with his friend Manoj. You can see here the boy playing with his friend Manoj. Now suddenly the ball fell into a dirty pond of water. Now the ball, it has fallen into the dirty pond of water. Then what Ravi did? Let us see. Ravi went inside the pond and brought out the ball with his dirty hands and continued to play with the ball. So Ravi did not care. He went into the dirty pond. He has brought in the ball with his dirty hands and continued to play. Over there you can see the boy. So dirty. Not worried about anything. So after a while, Ravi's mother called him for lunch. Ravi, oh Ravi, come and have your lunch. Now mother, she's worried about the child. Because this is the time for him to have his lunch. She calls his child, Ravi, Ravi, come for lunch. Ravi was very hungry and replied, yes mom, I am coming. So he said goodbye to Manoj and rushed home. So Ravi was hungry because he had played a lot, and then he replied to his mom that mom, I am coming. Then he said goodbye to Manoj and rushed home. So he said bye to his friend and he went home. Now he sat at the table without washing his hands and began to eat his food. So what Ravi is doing? Ravi, when sat at the table, he started eating the food and he had not washed his hands. Okay. Then a few hours later, Ravi's stomach started to ache and he cried in pain. Now, what happened? Ravi has not washed his hands, he started eating. So, after few hours, his stomach started to pain and he started crying. He then began to vomit and then he started vomiting and he got diarrhea and he suffered from diarrhea. Diarrhea is a condition in which the person stomach starts paining and he has loose motion, he starts vomiting and then he is in a very painful condition. Now he began to rush to the toilet again and again, so he had to go to the toilet again and again. You can see the child vomiting, his stomach is paining. Now, so thank you children. The other things means the rest part of the story we will do in the next class. So you have to understand the meaning why you should be clean. You also keep yourself clean. Follow the things what you should do to keep yourself clean and then your surrounding clean. Keep your home also neat and clean so that we are free from any kind of disease. And you will get as your homework today to write this underlined hard words. You are going to write those words and then learn the word meaning also. Thank you everyone. Have a good and clean day.